Hello guys, are you facing this error? This action isn't allowed on YouTube? Then don't worry at all. Keep calm and try this solution which I'm telling you, and hopefully your error will go away. But first, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is to open Google and search for Suspend YouTube channel and click on this link. On this link you will find out this page. Scroll down and click on this form, and this form will open. You have to fill out this form and submit the query, and after submitting it, YouTube will find a solution for your channel why your account is showing this error, and it will solve it. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope your channel will be fixed, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.